In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print signed DocuSign document. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your completed agreement, how to open it, and the fastest way to print it with the right settings. First, log into your DocuSign account in your web browser. A stable internet connection and a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari will make the process smooth. Once you're in, look at the top menu and select Agreements. This page is your hub for everything you've sent, received, and completed, all organized in one place. Next, locate the envelope that contains the signed document you want to print. You're looking for an envelope with the status showing completed. If you have a lot of agreements, use the search bar or sort by status to bring completed items to the top. If you don't see it right away, a quick refresh can help, especially if it was just signed. By the way, if you need the site, I've placed the DocuSign link right at the top of the description so you can get there quickly. Click the envelope to open its details. You'll see sections for recipients, documents, and history. Recipients shows who was involved, documents lists the files inside the envelope, and history tracks the activity, which can be useful for confirming timing or status. In the Documents section, click the signed document you want to print. It will open in a preview window. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure the signatures and initials look correct. Use the zoom controls if you want to inspect any page more closely before you print. When you're ready, click the print icon in the preview window. You can also press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. In the print dialog, choose your printer, pick the pages you need, and adjust options like color, orientation, and scale. For the clearest results, print at 100% scale so the signatures and any stamps appear sharp. When everything looks right, click print and your signed document will start printing. If you prefer to keep a local copy before printing, you can download it first. Back in the Documents section, click Download, save the file as a PDF, and then open it from your computer. Printing from a PDF can give you more printer-specific options like duplex printing or higher quality settings, and it also ensures you have a permanent copy for your records. That's it. You've successfully printed your signed DocuSign document. If this was helpful, drop a comment and thanks for watching.